Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem here. PyInstaller. Okay, if you want to run your PyInstaller, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I want to run PyInstaller. This is the one here, Python. If I press enter, as you can see here, I got this error here. Please install pywin32, but I got it already installed. So I'm gonna try to install it. Copy. If I paste it here, requirement already satisfied. So this means it's already installed here. As you can see it here. So I don't need to install it. So the problem is somewhere else. So how did I fix it? So navigate where you install your Python. Okay, go to the folder where you install your Python. In my case, I install it on C Python, as you can see here. And then find this one here, call it lib, L-I-B. I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna find a site package. It's the one we got here. Now let's look for PyInstaller. PyInstaller. So this is the one here, PyInstaller. Okay. So from PyInstaller, open this one here, compact.py. So I'm gonna open it. So from PyInstaller, look for those two lines here. As you can see them here. Okay. As you can see, they are on line 186. So we are going to replace them with this two code here. Okay. So I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna remove this line. I'm gonna replace it with this one here. Okay. And the next gonna be this one here. So it must be import, not from. Okay. So it's gonna be something like this. Okay, let's try to run it again. You see the error we got here, right? Let's try to run it again. As you can see here, the error is gone, right? Now, if I go back here, this should work. Paste. So this is my project name. I'm gonna press enter. As you can see here, now it's working. This is something I have already done. I have already built it. Okay, very simple. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.